Hi, I'm Jim Conley, and I'm founder of CEO Chef. And welcome. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video and presentation. So let's get to it. Wow, I hope you enjoyed that video. As you can see, we specialize in corporate cooking team building. And a lot of the clients that we work with are probably ones that you work with already. So let me share with you the benefits of how we can work better together. And let's get to it. First of all, when you have clients who are or guests that are on your property who are there for your corporate meetings, your leadership retreats, or sales meetings, this is what it looks like at the end of the day when the meetings break and everybody is leaving your rooms. And where do they go after the rooms? Well, they go just about everywhere, but they scatter, but they don't stay there. In most cases, they go out to dinner someplace to an outside restaurant. They don't stay here where they're supposed to stay. So they're going out in another restaurant. And of course, when you do that, what do you miss on? Food revenues, after dinner party revenues, wine, beer, and alcohol revenues, and any other possible revenue or goodwill building opportunity because of their absence off of your property. We can help you. We're a CEO Chef, and our purpose is to help you entice these conference groups to stay in-house and get them to experience a cooking team building with us. So, CEO Chef, we're here to help. We're the leader in corporate culinary team building in North America. We come to you, your property. We use your food, your beverage, your cocktails, your service staff, which means added revenue to your client's master bill, which ultimately means a healthier bottom line for your banquet department. So we even take the time to set it up really professional. So you get a list of food, what the menu we're gonna use, the timing, even the diagram of what the room will look like. So we make this as easy as possible to work with you. We bring our own equipment, so we don't expect you to supply specialized equipment for our programs. Our team building experience with a positive message. Now, this is the part that I think is really important. It spills over with positive emotions that link to your property. This encourages return business. That's huge. And you're associated with us, a training and development company that has the chops to deliver with over 20 years of culinary team building and corporate training experience at the highest level. We have a professional background both in education in both culinary arts and corporate training, and we bring it all together in this program. So you can be confident that your guests will be taken care of at the highest level. Here are just a few clients that we work with on a regular basis. We have Amgen, Bank of America, Disney, even Google and Facebook. All of these companies that you probably work with already. Now we're talking about giving them a reason to stay in-house and not leave during that all-important dinner hour. So when you work with us, we call you a power partner, a hotel power partner, and here are some of the benefits. We figured out that You are leaving on the table like 15% of potential food and beverage revenue. This is a legitimate way to keep your clients in-house, and we're a free service to you. So we're highly experienced in this niche field, which many consider us the best. And our process leaves a positive imprint that encourages people to return to your property. Would you like to know how to be a power partner? Well, it's quite easy. Give us a call, and you can see the number here at 888-308-8326, or you can email us at connect@ceochef.com. And I would love to talk to you. Once again, my name is Jim Connolly. I am the founder of CEO Chef, and we've been doing this many years, and I'd love to work with you on a continual basis. So give us a call or email us, and we'll get started right to it. So with that being said, thank you, and create yourself a fantastic day.